Beloved StoryCorps producer Liyna Anwar, who recorded the story you're about to see, was recently diagnosed with an aggressive form of leukemia and needs a blood stem cell transplant. She is not matched with her family or any of the 20 million donors in the registry. So this is where you come in. Liyna needs new donors to join Be the Match, and she's most likely to match someone from her own ethnic background. So we're especially looking for donors of South Asian descent. Only 1.3% of people in the registry are South Asian. Sign up to see if you could be her match and share join.bethematch.org/swab for Liyna or text LIYNA to 61474. The world needs Liyna to keep telling stories like this one.